We are working on Word Multi-Project 2. We're currently on the preservation project. Task 1 asks us to go to the end of the document, go all the way down, put your cursor there on the last line, and it says to insert the preservation docs. We'll go to the Insert tab, Object drop-down. Because it's a Word document, we can use text from File. Let's find our GMetrix folder, and we're looking for preservation. And I went ahead and inserted that text from that document there. Click Mark Completed. Task 2 asks us to go to the Go To feature. So we're on the Home tab. It's in the Editing group, File drop-down, Go To, and this is a bookmark. In this area, we're going to go ahead and type Sites, Go To. We'll click Close because it's gone ahead and highlighted. Now I'm going to hit Delete, but notice that this period is not selected. So it's just going to leave that hanging. If you're not careful, you will leave that in the project and it will mark you wrong. So we'll delete the period, and we'll actually hit delete one more time just to delete that line altogether. Click Mark Completed. Alright, let's go ahead and add the footer at the bottom. We're going to click the Insert tab. We'll go here to the header and footer, click Footer drop down. We'll click the blank line. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my caps lock on because it says Utah Travel Information. Make sure you spell it correctly, because if you do not, it will mark you wrong. All caps. And you can double click here, or you can click Close Header and Footer. Mark Completed. This task asks us to modify Thor Christensen's reference. So we're on the Reference tab here. We'll click the Manage Sources. And on the right hand side, we're going to click Christensen Thor. We'll click Edit, and we're going to delete the 5, make it a 2. Click OK, click Close, and we've completed that task. And task 5. We're going to go ahead and insert a table. I believe that a table of contents, this is on the second page. So you'll want to select all of this text. And we're still on the Resources tab if you've not clicked off of here. We'll click Table of Contents, Automatic Table 2, and we'll click Mark Completed.